Quick update on a few things that have happened since the last time I've uploaded. I received a couple parts and some progress on the underside of my Evo 6. I know it is moving at a glacial pace, and it's probably going to keep doing that because I don't have a heater in my garage, but be happy you got an update at all. Well, it's finally here. I didn't think it would actually show up, so this is a pretty pleasant surprise. It's been 2.5 years now that I ordered some of this stuff, so I guess we're gonna do an unboxing and we'll both be surprised. The first box, which is the only thing in this box, as you can see, it was packaged well. A little sneak peek. Monster coil pack cover for an Evo with carbon fiber finish with the weave just good enough for monster quality. That's the first thing. So I mean, I totally forgot this existed. I'm willing to bet I paid $0 for that, or something pretty close to, but let's see what's in the next box. This one appears to be a real arch liner. Yes, it does. Great success. Another empty box. Okay. New freshness, new wheel liner. If you know, you know. What do we have here? Well, these are cool. We have what appears to be wagon headlights in LED format. These are cool. I like that. That's my favorite feature. All right, so that's that big box. And we have 3 Evo wagon bumpers. 1, 2, 3 in. Is this gray or black? This one is blue. You can't quite see it here, but it is the blue. Kind of graphite gray looking. This one is black. Or maybe this one's blue. It's sparkly, whatever it is. And, you know me, character accurate, red. So if you need one of these, holler. They're JDM orientation. You know how the styling is on these, but different from the sedans. So if you're doing a conversion or something of the sort, I've got a few kicking around. I really appreciate the packaging on this. There's a whole dog bed here. I'm not going to transport that in my car, so we'll just find a nice place to put it later. All right, moving along. We have some Evo 9 wagon rear seats, which are pretty sweet. They are the fold down type, so not exactly the same as sedan again. They come in 5 pieces: bolsters, the fold downs, top and bottom, and the little flip out console. So I saw those for cheap enough on Yahoo auctions, figured I'd pick that up. This section here doesn't look too bad at all. Looks like it just needs a clean. Great form. There's the rest of the Evo 9 wagon rear bench seat. Those are my skates. Yes, I'm Canadian, so that always makes sense. They'll just be around. These look good. This looks good. This is going in there somewhere at some point. This looks good also. And I guess I got some of these. Heck yeah. I've acquired 79,000 Rock Auto magnets as well. And this fuel tank was refreshed as well. Not that it really needed it, but Do you mind? Powder coat the world, am I right? A few more new things from the crate that I keep finding in random boxes. Some new suspension parts and some new arms that I found on Yahoo Japan a long time ago that were dirt cheap, but as you can tell, factory packaging, good stuff. Lots of stuff looking fresh, just got to do the putting together. Oh, and I almost forgot, brand new front emblem for this guy, because we're looking a little shoddy. The whole front end's kind of rough, so I mean, we're gonna take it apart. I'm planning on getting the engine bay repainted because it could use some love. I think I might get the front bumper done as well, and the hood. Yeah, I know it seems like I'm bouncing a lot between the two cars, and that's because I am, because I have two cars. You wouldn't understand. It's not just a phase, Mom. Also, I did get the chance to go to Japan recently and grabbed a couple souvenirs. Didn't spend a lot of time doing car stuff, but these will be good to go on the car with the rest of the appropriate styling cues. This is for the wagon. It needed a refresh. It already has red valve stems and tire valve things. Anyways, these cappies, yeah, they're good. I did a goof up on my Evo project. Yes, I still have the cars, but we'll provide an update on that shortly. We're out here with the world's coolest weld removal drill hole saw thing. Yeah. Yeah, we're having fun. I'll explain why in a little bit, but that's not good for it. Will you come off easier now? Or are you gonna be a little for the class? Come on. Cooperate. Be cool. Hey? Well, I did a pretty good job for the most part. I was a little off kilter on that one, but we're still okay. We're vibing. So yeah, that's what happened. It's supposed to look like that, but it's shy. Yeah, so lesson be learned. And this could go for basically all studs on the bottom of your car, and even especially the subframe bolts with the captive nut. Just don't use an impact. Yeah, that's a good rule. Let's put that in the Bible there. So what I've done is used a little grinder to expose all the spot welds, and I fit them all with a punch. I'm about to use a spot weld drill out all the spot welds as per the name, and then I'll get this guy removed, and yeah, we'll try again. Now that's taken care of. Yeah. Simple as that. You could even replace that nut. I might do that actually. Goes in just like how it came out then. Yeah, let's do that. That's smart. I'm smart. Cool. That is in fact what we all look like on the inside. I'll be cleaning that up a touch. Also, another thing to note, I probably could have said that beforehand, is just scribe a line all the way around before you pull that thing off. That way it goes back in the same place for surely 100%. Yeah, killer. Well, that's a quick update. I'm really good at compiling parts, but really bad at putting together cars. So maybe that'll happen. I'm getting a heater this winter. So let's make another video sometime soon. Hey, I missed you guys. Okay, love you. Bye.